Hey yo, what's up guys? Dennis here from Fundamental Interest and I'm back again with another video, okay? So on today's video guys will be talking about gold. So please, if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop this kind of content. Alright. So on today's video we'll be looking at gold, looking for entries, just talking about how gold moves, okay? Just like in the previous video, okay? So this one is just to predict the market movement, okay? So if you have realized gold moves like in a more simpler way, it's very easy to trade gold, to be honest, okay? So let me just go get something for you guys. I need this line. I want it here, down here, because it's like the level of support. All right, so in most cases gold moves within like support and resistance. So okay, as you can see, it started from somewhere here and then it went up to this level here, and it created a level of resistance, and then again it came back again, it came down here to this level, which you call it the support. The tricky part here is that it went down and did a fake out. You can see here the candle here is just like the stick here, but the candle like the fleshy part is up here, okay? So this one is more like it did what we call like fake out. So it just made a fake move, and then so that it can kick people out who are buying, so that again it can go up, okay? So let's go lower to the lower time frame. Let's go to 30-minute time frame. That's where I like to analyze. I want us to see exactly what I'm talking about. Oh man, I moved a line. That's what I don't like about analyzing on the phone. Okay, I think the line that we're talking about is this one. Let me just make them smaller. Let me make the charts very smaller. Yeah, okay, so this is what I'm talking about. So the market went from here and then it went up to this level, right? And then again it went down to this level here, which is the support level, and then it moved down a little bit here. It moved down a little bit so that it takes out everybody who's gonna buy here, because it knows that okay, usually we buy here, we buy at the support level, okay? Just because we know that the market is gonna go where up again, okay? That's why you have this line. So these lines for me, they represent support and resistances. This is where I make my entries. So the last move which it made, let's say maybe it went up to here, I'll come and put a line, okay? That will be my resistance level. I know it will go down to where? To the support level, which is this one. And then if it gets to the support level, it's supposed to go back up. But sometimes before it goes back up, it moves lower so that it takes you out. If ever you entered here, it takes you out here. Understand? If you entered when it reaches this level. So I don't know if you understand this. Let me just make a proper example. So as you can see here, the market went down and then it ended up here, okay? So this is a 30-minute time frame. I usually use this time frame for my entries. So it went down here and then it stopped and then started going way up. So I came here, I leveled this line as what? The support level. So it went up, it stopped where? Up there. Here. That's why I put the line here. This is the resistance level line, okay? So what I expect now is for the market again to come to this line, to the what? Support level, of which it did. It took some time, but it did end up here. Okay, from here to here, it did end up there. Okay, so what I expect when the market comes here, I expect to buy. Okay, so when I enter a buy, the market makers or whoever is very clever. So they'll usually move down a little bit so that they take us out. Okay, so if you don't have like enough money, you are usually gonna go out. If you didn't use proper risk management, you are usually gonna be knocked out by that trade, okay, by that the movement. Okay, so what I realize is they do this a lot. They've been doing this a lot lately. They've been trying to take us out. So what I do is wait for the market to come back here, and then I wait to see if it's gonna go down below the support level. Just like here, if it do go down, I just wait and see, knowing that it will go up. And then when it goes up again, when it comes to this area, I place my buy, and then I know it will move where to my direction, and that way I keep myself safe. Okay, so this is pretty much what I wanted to show you here on gold. Gold has been moving crazy lately, and people have been confused whether they should still use this support and resistance strategy on gold. Please, for me, I believe the support and resistance strategy is the best. And there's this other strategy that people use, which is very risky. You can use a lot of money and then make, you can trade with a little money and then make more. All right, you can trade with a lot of money and then make more. Okay, so let's see if we're gonna find an entry here. So yeah, guys, these were the lines which are farmer resistances and whatsoever in the past. So I just wanted to show you that example. I hope you guys understood it perfectly. All right, so let's see if we can find an entry right now for tomorrow, since tomorrow the market is opening. Okay, and let's see. Okay, what I'm gonna do is come here down, and please, the market is going up from here, right? So we're gonna come here, and this is what our support level, because the market came from here and then it went here, and then from here it went up. Okay, so generally with the support and resistance, we will have expected the market to come and end up here. Okay, but it also did pass this level. It went up, but it is still bouncing up and down here, right somewhere around this range. Okay, so then again we're gonna come and put another resistance level up here, because this is where the market moves. So the market moved up until here. So what we expect now is for the market, since the market is here now, the market is gonna come up to this level. When it gets here, this is where we will expect to sell. We expect the market to go away from here to down here. You understand? Please follow these thoughts. This is the perfect way I can do it on the phone right now. I don't have anything to. Let me try something then. Let me just try and get some lines for you. Like, this is what we are expecting as we are trading. So I expect the market to go, since it's here. Let me get another one. The market went down here, I guess. Okay, let me just delete that one. So it is a bit difficult for me to do this with these lines that I'm using right now. It's a bit difficult because I'm using a phone. So I just hope next time I'll be on the PC on TradingView so that I can show you perfectly. Okay, so yeah, but you see that line that I just drew, that's where the market entered. But whenever the market reaches that level, we expect it to come back down. Okay, whenever it reaches that level, it's supposed to respect that resistance level, and it's supposed to come back down here. It's supposed to come here and reach this line. Okay, and then again it's supposed to respect what this level here, this level of support, supposed to respect it, and then it goes where. Let me then again draw another line. It's supposed to go up where? There. That's how I predict support and resistance each and every day. The simpler the better for me. Okay, so it might not move like this, but this is how I choose my entries. Okay, so I believe that gold moves in zones. So yeah, here we're using the Brokers Excellence. The links in the description if you want it. Yeah, guys, This is pretty much how I analyze gold. This is how I make money on gold. And I think everybody does this a lot. So don't be left out. You just try this out, okay? So yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell to get notified, okay? So for my weekly tech trades, you'll see them along the week. But today, let's analyze gold because here there's a lot of money to make, okay? So yeah, guys, without wasting time, let's see you in the next video. Peace.